Hey y'all, and welcome out here to Skyview. This is a community being built out by KB Homes, and behind me is their model 2088. In just a few minutes we're going to be walking through that home so you can see what it looks like on the inside, but I wanted to give you a little bit more information before we do so. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome and thank you so much for looking at this video. My name is Brock.Bremmer and I'm your San Antonio realtor. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below or reach out to me. My contact information is below as well. I'm here to be of service to you and help you through the home buying process for any home in San Antonio and the surrounding areas. So let's get back to the area here. Now this home is located in Converse, Texas, which is on the northeast side of San Antonio. This area is very close to lots of food, shopping, and entertainment, so there's lots of things nearby for you and your family to enjoy while you're living here in the community. If you happen to be a military family relocating to the area, we have Randolph Air Force Base, which is really close by, as well as Fort Sam, which is just a short drive away as well. So this is a perfect home for you and your family should you choose to live here in the Converse area. Now let's go check out this video. Welcome to the 2100 floor plan by KB Homes. This floor plan has 2,100 square feet of living space, options for 3 or 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Hope you enjoy the tour and the open concept living. Thank you so much for checking out this model home with me here in Converse, Texas. I thought it was an incredible home, but I'd love to hear down below in the comment section what your thoughts and opinions were. Is this something that you could see yourself in, or is there something else that you're looking for? Regardless, if you're looking to make a move to San Antonio or within San Antonio, please reach out. I'm your San Antonio realtor, and I'm here to help guide you through the buying or selling process, whichever path you may be on at the moment. If it's both, that's great. I'll help guide you through both of those to make it as smooth as possible for you and your family. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give me a like on this video so that I know that you gained some sort of value out of this video. It also motivates me to keep producing model home tours for you so that you can see what the homes here in San Antonio look like. One last thing, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video in the future. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.